plus 27 73 1582 436. Mulani Operators Training Center is fully registered. # 2013/124410/07. We do provide safety courses on lifting, construction, and welding training. Forklift training for 5 days. Dump truck for 7 to 10 days. Excavator for 7 to 10 weeks. Front end loader for 7 to 10 days. Bulldozer for 7 to 10 days. Grader for 7 to 10 days. Container track 7 to 10 days. Mobile crane for 7 to 10 days. LHD scoop for 7 to 10 days. Reach truck for 7 to 10 days. Tower crane for 7-10 days. Overhead crane for 7 to 10 days. Drill rig for 7 to 10 days. Bobcat for 3 days. TLB for 7 to 10 days. Reach stacker for 7 to 10 days. Welding courses. Call plus 27 73 1582 436 for booking. Plus boiler making 4 weeks, plus Co2 welding 4 weeks, plus gas welding, plus arc welding 4 weeks, plus stainless steel welding 4 weeks, plus argon welding 4 weeks, plus electrical installation 4 weeks, plus plumbing 4 weeks, plus pipe fitting 4 weeks, plus fit and turning 4 weeks, plus shuttering 4 weeks. We do help for job placement after training. Free accommodation available for short courses excluding forklift NB. License renewal also done as you wait. We are located in Germiston. Call us 0731582436 for inquiry. South Africa, Johannesburg. Tel. Plus 27 11 8241 189. Cell plus 27 73 15 82 436 073 158 2436. WhatsApp.